is the R5 3600 the ultimate balance of price to performance? Is it that chip that everybody is looking for that delivers the best bang for the buck? Or are they just hyping it up? I'm Chester, your host for today, and we're going to find out. So, welcome to Chester and Unboxing. So yes, today we'll be talking about the R5 3600. This is a 6-core, 12-thread CPU from AMD. That's their 3rd generation Ryzen processor. So, it's by the way, everybody has been talking about this particular model. Why? Because it is not very expensive, unlike the 8 and 12 core models and beyond. And also, it's not that cheap because at its price point, it delivers just the right amount of performance that most users will need, right? Because the thing is, not everybody on earth is going to be editing 12K footage videos all day long, right? Not everybody is going to need an 8 or 12 core processor. On the other hand, games are getting more demanding nowadays, and using a quad core processor might not be good enough for some people. So this is where the 6-core comes in. This particular processor runs at a 3.6 GHz base and 4.2 GHz boost, which is fairly good enough. You can overclock it if you want. Or 3rd gen Ryzen processors are unlocked, meaning that from the lowest of the low, the R3 3100, to the highest of the high, you can overclock every single one of them. Not saying you should, but you can. Alright, so this particular model has 32 max of L3 cache and using the AM4 socket, which means it runs on PCIe 4th gen I mean. So that means that if you plug in with the right motherboard such as B550 or X570 boards, you can make use of the full Gen 4 speeds, especially if you're running on M.2 drives that uses that kind of speed. So let's open this particular model up. Okay, so this is the 3600 non-X version. Okay, so this this particular unit comes with the Rave Stealth cooler. Okay, so let's open it up. Let's take a look. Okay, so as always, because expensive stuff, so be careful when you open it up. Alright, there's nothing else in here. Okay, you find the chip. You find a certificate of authenticity. Read this first. Nope. And you'll find the cooler. So let's open the cooler first. Alright, here we go. Yes, so you'll find the Rave Stealth cooler. So nothing too special about it because stealth. So yeah, pretty little fan with a small little aluminum stack. And with it comes default with a pre-applied thermal compound. So yes, if you want to find out more about comparison between the different Rave coolers, do click on the video up here. I've included a video which contains this comparison between the Prism, the Stealth, so on and so forth. Alright, so let's move on to the chip itself. So this is a 65 watt TDP chip. It's different from the X version. So the 3600X has a 95 watt TDP processor. So I mean, honestly, it doesn't really matter because it just runs on a slower clock, clock for clock. But you can overclock it yourself. But you can actually use AMD's PBO, Precision Boost Overdrive software, which it will automatically scale up and down its clock speeds depending on the workload. So basically what that means is TLDR, automatic overclocking. Who doesn't love it? Alright, but if you want to do manual, you can. Okay, so it also comes with a Ryzen 5 sticker over here. Alright, so okay, let's just open this up first. Okay, so be very careful because just be careful. Okay, so over here you find the chip itself. So yes, this is the R5 Ryzen 5 3600, and on the other side of the chip you'll find the exposed pins. So yes, on AMD processors, the pins are situated on the chip itself, which means be extra careful when you are handling the chip. So don't hold it like that, you don't want to bend or even worse, break any of the pins, because that would be devastating. So yeah, just don't do it. Alright, so that sums up our unboxing and first impressions of the AMD Ryzen 5 3600 processor. So yes, like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our channel, Chester and Unboxing, for more related content. Alright, we really appreciate it if you can support us because we are just starting up and we would like to see more of what you guys would think. So put in the comment section, what do you guys want to see in upcoming videos? What kind of styles do you want us to do? Alright, that's all for today and see you guys.